Hi everyone, this is John. I'm doing a breakdown here on R.E.M., which R is the 18th letter, or you could reduce it down to 9, which then it would be 18 or 9. So, wow, I didn't even think of that, looking up 189. I wonder what 189 means. Wow, that's interesting. Now I gotta look that number up, 189. I gotta look this number up, 189. Alright, the E is number 5, the 5th letter. 5 in Strong's is father. Okay, and then M is the 13th letter, or you can reduce it down to 4. So, if you go in Strong's and look up 18, and then look up 5, and then look up 13, it'll tell you something, if you know how to put it all together and in order. And one thing I figured out in this R.E.M. song is it's the end of the world as we know it. Okay, that's 10 words there. And then, and I feel fine is 4. So you have 10 words, then 4 words. So then you could have, 104. And then, you drop the 0, you would add the 1 and the 4, which, well, it'd be 14. And then you add the 1 and the 4, which would be 5. So, right here, it's 10 words and 4 words. So you could drop the 0, and that would be 14. And then you add the 1 and the 4, that'd be 5. Or either way, you could add 10 and 4, that's 14. 1 and 4 is 5. So, R.E.M. song is 10 and 4. Wow, that's interesting. I just realized something else about 10. Alright, that's interesting. I'm going to make a part 2, obviously. But anyhow, if you put R and E together, that would be, what, 18th letter and 5th letter, so that'd be 185. And then E is the 5th letter. It stands by itself, no other number there. And then M is 13, which it reduces down to 4. So then that, you could add the E and the M, which would be 513. Wow, or 54. I didn't think about looking up 54 either. Now I gotta look that up. Write that number down. 54. That'd be 54. Alright, so in this song, there's definitely an anagram going on here. I'm trying to figure it out with the letters because, I circled all the letters. I made all the first capitals, so it's I, T, E, O, T, W, A, W, K, I is the first 10. And then the second part is in, what do you call these? That's not parentheses. What the hell are they? I forget what they're called. But anyhow, it's, and I feel fine. So it'd be A, I, F, F, or 1, 2, 3, 4. But then, I'm over here doing this. What these are, like I is the 9th letter, T is the 20th letter, E is the 5th letter, O is the 15th letter, T is the 20th letter, W is the 23rd letter, A is the 1st letter, W is the 23rd letter. That's interesting. W-A-W, that'd be 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Well, actually, if you break that down, that'd be 5, 1, 5. That's interesting. 5, 1, 5. That's another new number now I gotta look at. 5, 1, 5. There's a lot going on here in this song, and the only thing I know is we might be in Lucifer's kingdom, and he might think he's, in control. But the way I see it, my Father's in control of everything. I mean everything. So anyhow, this R.E.M. song, I'm trying to break it down like this down here. I realized that out of the 14 words, there was only 13 words that had leftover letters. Like I said up here, I circled its, because that was one word, its, but I circled the I and left the TS. I circled the T, which left HE. I circled the E, which left ND. Circled the O, which left the F. Circled the T, which left the HE again. That's interesting. So we have HE twice. Circled the W, which left ORLD. Circled the A, left the S. Circled the W, left the E. Circled the K, left now. That's interesting because that makes now N-O-W. Circled the I, that leaves the T. And then circled the A, that leaves the R-D. Circled this I, which this I was standing alone. So that's why there's only 13 leftover letters down here. Well, not 13 letters altogether. Oh, wow, I need to count up how many letters this is total. I didn't even see that. This is going to be part 1, so now I'm going to have, let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Is that 27 letters left over? I'm going to have to recount that again so I can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Yes, that's 27 letters left over. That's interesting. 27. You can see that as 27, or you could add the 2 and 7. That's 9. Man, there's definitely going to be multiple parts to this freaking video, to this breakdown of R.E.M., which R.E.M., hopefully I'm going to have to watch this so I can break this all down, redo it, and on a second part. But anyhow, R from R.E.M. is rapid, and if you can look at rapid two ways. You know, rapid means quickly, but also it means turbulent. Like rapids, you know, if you've ever gone whitewater rafting, you know there's whitewater rapids. So that could be turbulent. And then it's E equals eyes because it's rapid eye movement. The M is movement. And then there are two types of sleep. There's non-REM and then there's REM. Non-REM is no eye movement, and then REM is rapid eye movement. That's how they know when you're in a deep, deep sleep. And also, they done studies where they know that there's two different things going on in the mind when there's non-rapid eye movement. The brain's doing one thing and the body is doing something else. And then when there's rapid eye movement, the brain is doing something else compared to what the body's doing. So, I'm trying to figure this all out. You know, the eye, well, I have it this way. Eye is one, you know, the way I've been shown, the way I'm doing things. I'm mixing, combining. But anyhow, you have I, which is, you know, the first letter out of the words. T is the second letter out of the words. E is the third letter out of the words. O is the fourth letter. T is the fifth letter. W is the sixth letter. As A is the seventh. We, W, eighth. Know it. No, K, N. K is 9. I, 10. And then as 1, I, and I feel fine, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4. But in reality, I is a 9, T is 20, E is 5, O is 15, F is 20, W is 23, A is 1, W is 23, K is 11, I is 9. So that was just the first, and then I forgot to do the 4. Well, that'd be easy. A is 9, so A would be 9, and I feel fine, so that'd be A is 9. Dang it, A is 1, duh. A is 1, and then the I, that's 9. This pen, that's 9. Okay. A, and then F, well, we know F is 6. And then another F, would be 6. Wow, so, wow, and there's another number I got to look up. 1966. Well, that was a year before I was born. I was born in 67. I wonder what happened in 1966. Plus, I also wonder what 1966 means in the Strongs. I'm going to have to look that up. And so it was 10 words, then 4 words. And then out of that, it left over 13 words with letters left over because the one I is by itself. So that was by itself. So it's 13 and 1. 13 and 1. That'd be 131. So I got a lot of numbers to look up myself and see what this is all trying to tell me. I did look up a couple of these numbers, like 5. I know what 5 is. I think I remember what 104 is. I can't remember these other ones, but I've looked them up. I'm going to have to go back and look them all up again, because I know I'm going to have a part 2 out of this, because I haven't solved this yet. I mean, I'm close to solving it, but I haven't completely solved it. So I have to spend some more time sitting here figuring this all out. But anyhow, that's R.E.M. Part 1. It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. This is all an anagram. It's definitely something going on here. Trying to figure it out. Like I said, I realized it's 10 words and then 4 words. Or 410. That's interesting because I know what 410 is in Strong's. Wow, that's really interesting. Alright, everyone, this was John, and I'm just trying to sit here and figure out this R.E.M. song and what it all really means, because it all has bigger meaning, people. Most people can't see that there's a bigger picture going on to everything. Like I said, we might be in Lucifer's, Satan's kingdom, but our Father has control over everything. I mean everything. So, I'm going to have to sit here and do some more figuring this all out, trying to put it all together. It's really time consuming. Alright, everyone. Hi. Peace, love, joy, kindness. Talk to you later.